Hello everyone. So I'd like to do a demo on my projects, the Wi-Fi signal mapper. So as you can see, this is the GitHub repos content on the code and then the README showing how to run the applications. So what you have to do, you're gonna clone the projects. So let's say I already have cloned the projects, and so this is my projects. So we have backend, front end, and all type of file that we need to run the project. So let's say to run the projects, we make it a little bit easier. Okay, so now we're gonna go to front end. And then to run the projects, we're gonna use, because this project is written using React, so to run it, we need to have to run the npm start. Okay, wait a second. Okay, here's the app running. But to make the app actually work, we need a backend server. And here we're gonna go to the backends. For the backend, as you can see that we're using Python. So to run that, we use Python 3 app py. Okay, the backend is running, the front end is running. So now we go to the app. So here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna upload the floor plans. So let's say this is my floor plans. So technically, when you trying to measure the Wi-Fi, you're gonna walk into specific locations. For example, I'm gonna walk into the kitchens or like living rooms, and then at that we're gonna try to measure the Wi-Fi signal at that locations. So we can click on that, but we're calling the backends from the system call. So we need to go back to the backend, input the password for the system. It's now the app is working. So you can see it's showing the signal at location you want to measure, and you're gonna work to different location. We're gonna try to measure these locations and then maybe in the bedroom. So this is the demonstration showing like how to measure the Wi-Fi signal at specific locations. And after you're done with measurings, you're gonna go to generate heat map, and then the heat map is going to be generated and it's showing you where have the strongest signal and where have the least strongest signal. So you can download it and then you can save it as an image, or you don't have to. So you can either reset everything and now you start the app over again. So what I did with my partner is that I go to the get the map of the SRU campus. I'll go to each of different location, different building, different parking. I'll measure the signal at specific locations, and as you can see, here's all the points, the signal that I measure at a particular point. So after that, I generate the heat map from that. And now you can see here's the heat map for the Wi-Fi signal at the San Jose State University. Yeah, and all the code in how to run the app, and it's a Mac OS supported only applications, and what the app is doing, what the tech stack, and how to run front end and back end. It contained under a README file. Yeah, thank you.